The metropolitan region of Boston covers an area of 3,600 square kilometers and is populated by more than 4.6 million people. Only a few kilometers from the city center, Somerville, with its 77,000 inhabitants, is located. The city, which in the 1980s was nicknamed Slummerville, has morphed into New England's most densely populated area thanks to its close proximity to Boston. Now, two large city development projects continue to enhance Somerville's status. The old center, around the Union Square, is being extensively refurbished, and at the former industrial fallow Assembly Row, an upmarket residential and business district is emerging right at the waterfront. Both areas will get new connections to the Boston public transportation system. The city development shows success. A large health group with around 4,500 employees settles here, with broad consequences for commuter traffic. But how can this traffic be structured more efficiently? Urban designer Philip Parsons, urban designer Jan Corneal, and mobility expert Federico Parolotto take up this question. The project team of the Audi Urban Future Award in Boston collaborates to mesh urban and mobility planning. Their vision, a multimodal mobility marketplace that allows urban planners, real estate developers, and mobility service providers to openly negotiate common solutions and investments in urban infrastructure. As a result, their contribution enables the leap into the urban and mobility planning of tomorrow.